Hey family, it's Buffy. As you can see behind me, my green stalks are here. I already set them up. My sister helped me and she's camera shy, so I didn't get to film that. But there's 5 tips I want to tell you about when you set up your green stalks. So let's go. I did get a green one and I got a pink one. And I got those colors because of my sorority. If you know which sorority, leave a comment and let me know. Now, first tip. When you're filling up your soil, fill them up each row individually on the ground by itself. Okay? The first one you can fill up, and I got the spinning bottom. It's got the wheels on it, which I highly suggest you get, and more on the wheels in a minute. So you can fill this first one up down here on the base. The second, third, fourth, and fifth layer, I highly suggest fill them up separately. And then as you fill it up with dirt and it's filled up with dirt, assemble it. So do the first one on the base, do the second one here, assemble it on there, do your third one over here, assemble it, fourth, and then fifth. Much easier to do it that way and easier to access each pocket if you do it that way. That's the first tip. Second tip on these wheels. These wheels have locks. See this little lever? And it's not on all the wheels, it's just on some. You raise it up to unlock it. You lower it to lock it. So much easier to move this when it's unlocked. And don't forget, when you get it to wherever, your towel, wherever you want it to be, lock them back so they don't move around. But so much easier to move that when you have them in the unlocked position. So that's tip 2. Tip 3, and this goes back to tip 1. When you fill each row by itself, they're not that heavy to pick up, but if you don't have a lot of upper body strength or you just need some help, I highly suggest having somebody help you lift them up, especially the top one. I was okay doing second, third, and fourth. A little bit of a struggle with the fifth one, so my sister helped me do that. So again, if you need help to lift the layers up, definitely do so. Get somebody to help you. Let's look at the pink one a little bit. This water reservoir does not keep water in there. My dumb behind thought water would stay in here, and as the plants needed water, it would trickle down. I'm a doofus. Here's the hole right here. That's where the water goes. So when you fill this, the water is going to seep down through this hole and then go down to each row. And at the bottom, right here, is where it will come out. The water will come out. Now I have a hose I can put on there, which I had on, I just took it off. So you can direct where the water goes. But the water does not stay in the reservoir. It's going to trickle down right away as you fill in the reservoir. So remember that. And I didn't know that. I don't know why I thought the water stayed in there. Fifth and final tip, know where you want them to be before you start assembling them. And you want it to be on a level ground, and because you don't want it to be swaying in the wind a little bit. It was really windy when we put these together, and they did move a little bit because the ground wasn't level. So make sure you have a level ground. We have it on our covered patio. And make sure you can get some sunlight. It's late in the day now and the sun is setting. It's going to be setting probably within an hour, but they do get sun. And because I have them on that wheel, I can rotate them quite easily. So I'll turn them every day so that each side will get some sun. And I'll take a step back so you can see them from a distance. But so far, so good. I went to Meijer, local supermarket, and I bought all of these clearance flowers for $2 for an 8-pack. So I have some dianthus, some marigolds, some petunias, a little bit of everything. Well, that's it, family. I hope you enjoyed these quick 5 tips on the garden stalk. So far, I love it. I did get these as part of the Mother's Day sale, and if you want to get one, I would suggest signing up for their emails. They'll let you know when they have sales, because you know, these aren't cheap by any means. So save your money, sign up for the emails, you'll know when they get the next sale. If you haven't already, please like this video, leave a nice comment, and don't forget, let me know your guess on which sorority is pink and green, because that's why I bought these in pink and green. And I know my aunt's gonna think my sister's favorite color is pink, but well, maybe she won't, because my favorite color is not green, it's red. So we'll see if she'll guess why I did it or not. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.